Hello hobby friends, this is Maciej from Scarhandpainting.com. Today I will be painting a Twilight-kin Impaler ship from Mantic Games Armada, a fantastic naval skirmish game I am heavily invested in. The ship is a part of a small commission I was tasked with. I figured to share the process with you. For a list of paints and useful links, see video description. Now without further ado, let's get into it. The miniature was undercoated black off screen. I started painting by airbrushing a solid layer of Vallejo Tinny Tin all over the model. Next, I flat brushed Vallejo hammered copper followed short with flat brushed Vallejo Chainmail, then Vallejo Silver. For the fabric of the sails, I manually applied a 50-50 mix of Vallejo Midnight Purple and Vallejo Midnight Purple Air. I then airbrushed the Army Painter Strong Tone wash all over the miniature. I got back to painting sails, airbrushing a 50-50 mix of Vallejo Midnight Purple and Vallejo Alien Purple. I then followed up with another round, but adding more alien purple to the mix. I have deliberately ignored a gentle overspray, the layer adding some depth to the surrounding deck and masts. A set of spikes and horns I have painted manually with Vallejo Panzer Dark Grey. For the knots of the masts, I used Vallejo Barbarian skin, flat brushed gently on the edges of the ropes. I also highlighted all the horns using the same color. Finally, I moved to the ghostly green effects. I started by airbrushing Vallejo Ghost Green Air on the selected areas. I then highlighted the green areas and spikes with Games Workshop Palette Wish Flash. The color is similar to Vallejo Off White, of which I ran out. I then airbrushed a thin layer of Vallejo Bile Green Air on top of all the green areas. Finally, I went back to Games Workshop Palette Wish Flash to do another round of highlight, then finished up with another sweep of Vallejo Bile Green. For basing, I followed a tutorial published at my blog. You can find it at scarhandpainting.com/armada. Let me know in the comments what you think about the tutorial. Is this something you'd like to try out? And if you're curious about Armada, hook me up via social media. I'd be glad to chat about this amazing game. Links in the video description. Cheers!